A bit. We have some views that we're going to get from the technical experts as well. Sudarshan Sukhani and Mitessh Thakkar are with us. Sudarshan, good morning. Yesterday was a very weak day and the Nifty is failing to get above that 100-day moving average. You think that could continue to be a resistance for the market, and what's the approach today?
Yeah, good morning. Yesterday we were willing to go short, and today it's not the same case. Now the market finally has given us a level. It says that it is in a trading range. I'm talking about the Nifty. The Nifty is in a very narrow range, and inside this narrow range, traders can do whatever they like, buy on a dip, sell on a rally. They will not get a big move. So the range boundaries, the contours are 17,700 is support. Once, if that breaks, we should be looking at a decent downside. On the other hand, with a less likelihood, 17,900 is resistance. You should be buying only above it. Between these 200 points, it's best to take intraday trades in whatever way you wish.
All right, gentlemen, good morning. Mitessh, what are your thoughts? How are you approaching things now?
Morning, Prashant. So we have maintained that the markets will remain ranged and basically choppy within that 250 point kind of a band, which is basically 17,900, 950 on the upside, 17,700, 750 on the downside. And I think that view still remains. There's a mild risk of downside breakdown in case we slip below 17,700. I think that could suggest, declines to about 17,550. But for the time being, I want to see that level being taken out at least on an hourly closing basis before initiating some kind of aggressive short. So mild negative bias, but I think a trade will happen once we start breaking below 17,700 on an hourly basis, and then a 150, 200 point kind of decline is what I'm penciling.
In terms of individual trades, what are you guys putting out? Sudarshan, let's start with you.
Well, Bharti Airtel is an intraday short. Sometimes blue chips also go through difficult periods, and this is one of them. So the short is there with a stop above 780. UPL is a buy. I must tell you that in a trading range, a lot of these stocks will simply be randomly sort of moving. But for whatever it is worth, consider buying UPL with a stop under 725. BHEL had a bad day yesterday. It's now at new lows, probably looking at lower levels. It's an intraday short with a stop above 70. And HAL, Hindustan Aeronautics, is a buying opportunity. This is one, stock you could actually buy for a positional trade, hold on to a few days to a few weeks and make money. Stop under 2,400.
Okay, and what about you, Mitessh? What would your stock ideas be?
So I have a mix of buys and sell calls today. Titan is something which was a recommendation earlier as well, and has done a gap up tomorrow yesterday, and still holding out well and showing more signs of an up move. So buy that with a stop at 24.95. The first target should be around 25.70. L&T is a buy as well. Here I would recommend a stop loss around 21.80 or just below that 21.80 level, and a target of around 22.55 to begin with. While on the sell side is Godrej Consumer, keep a stop at 935, look for a mild decline to about levels of 902, 900. And BHEL is a sell as well, with a stop at 73.5. Look for targets of around 68 to about 67.5 on the downside.
All right, thanks a lot for that. Let's take a quick break. On the other side, we'll talk about Balrampur Chini. The numbers were quite weak this time. The profits fell almost 30%. Pramod Patwari, the CFO of Balrampur Chini, will join in to discuss their Q3 performance.